Okay. So we will be reacting to Baldi, but the voice is random, is hilarious. Okay, so we're just also warning.
Why did you say four? So this one was made by the same person that made the two sides of the same quarter, which was an amazing mod. That mod did like so many cool things, but this mod right here hasn't been getting a lot of like downloads from what I can see. I'm thinking it's the same developer and it's newer. I'm thinking it's probably going to be something. It's just titled Project Forecast. I don't know what it's going to be like.
Problem 1.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
Baldi, what are you saying?
3.
Why is he doing that?
I don't know.
This was listening to horror.
Great job. That's right. 7 divided by...
No, that's not what you're...
Welcome to Baldi's Basement.
This shouldn't be as funny as it is.
2, 4.
Wait!
Now it's time.
He just keeps saying anything! How is this horror? It's scary because you don't know what he's gonna say next.
Come here, you prize.
What?
Problem 3. Divided by 7.
Problem 3 divided by 1.
Just type the correct answer into the empty box.
That's what I've been doing! It's like I'm arguing with him. He's paying attention. Problem 3. Look at this mod is funny. This is horror? Forecast. It's called Project Forecast. It says horror. An experiment in perception. Proceed at your own risk. I apologize for any confusion. Okay, well now this makes more sense. Baldi's basically the audio is randomized. But is that really it? It's funny though. It's really funny actually.
Great job.
Don't sound like a great job.
Problem 3.
Okay, well I see his slaps aren't randomized. What the? Is that Baldi? Is she randomized too? Oh god. Nobody's doing that! What?
No escaping ignition in the hall.
I didn't do that! Oh my god, this is so confusing. No. Yeah, I messed up my here. Okay, this is very strange. 1 floor. Okay, well, when does it get scary? Did they just put it in the wrong spot on accident? Maybe they categorized the mod wrong? Or maybe it will get scary. 0 minus 2? Okay, there's no difference here now. Alright, I'm just gonna beat it. It's funny though. It's funnier than I thought it would be, actually. What do you think he's gonna say when we get all the notes? Congratulations! No, wait, no, that's what he says. I said the right thing, dang it. No, not yet! Too early! No, I only found 4! Why'd you go that way? Why did he do that? It's so strange. It's so simple though. It's just Baldi basic, but they all freaking yap. That's what it is. It's like random numbers. Oh my god, she says 6, 7. She said 7, 6! Put it in reverse!
Is your phone running hot for no reason? Battery draining fast? Getting random login alerts?
She said 7, 6! Put it in reverse! This mod is cursed, that's for sure. Oh, gotta hit her for freaking...
No
What? Since when can you do something like that? Stabbing people? Is that an actual line? Why does that sound so real? Stabbing people with pencils in the halls. Oh my god, guys. YouTube AI was right. The pencil does exist. You guys don't know. Alright, I have to tell the story because it doesn't make sense if I don't. YouTube had this experimental AI feature with YouTube titles and thumbnails. And I was trying it. I just typed in Baldi, right? And it gave suggestion. And it was like, Baldi's basically what you don't use. And that was the video I did. The YouTube was giving me. I'm like, there's no pencil in the game. I was just doing it. What if I actually make a video that it tells me to make? Turns out the pencil exists all along. Why did he say that? Is this the horror aspect of it? We're just gonna start saying stuff that they're not supposed to be saying? Is that actually really good? That's what was up with that? That pencil thing, nope. Okay.
Got it.
I didn't want to use it yet. Okay, maybe we can use him. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. Come here. I need you to push me. I need you to push me. I need to look at that pencil thing now.
At least the butt is
Alright, this is working out just as I expected. Is that not the last one? Okay, this is it. I didn't even need the B soda. All they say soda, but I can't hear what he's saying. No! Okay, that's fine. This will be fine. Can you please stop? Please stop. No, he's gonna push this into him. This is bad. Okay, no, we'll be fine. We'll be fine. Problem 1. You didn't randomize this. What? I feel like we need to play more of that. I don't know. It just made me laugh. I don't know if it was supposed to be scary in some way.
Now all you need to do is...
That could be his first line. It's so freaking stupid. What's up? The music is all stupid now. Wait, is it getting more?
Number buttons to enter answer. Once you think you have it right, press the OK button.
Is it getting more corrupt as it's played? I don't know. I'm gonna upload it either way because if that's all it is, it's still freaking hilarious. It made me laugh. Why are you saying these curse words to me? You know how I feel about numbers.
I hope you like these because it's time for spelling.
They're definitely saying things they're not supposed to be saying. B, I hope you like these. The freaking line. Why does it sound so much like him, though? When does he ever talk about spelling? You have me believing the pencil exists.
You did great. Come here and get your eyes. Collect 2 notebooks before you can use these doors.
I got one. Oh my god. This is unfortunate. This is unfortunate. She's saying all the meme numbers. So dead. Is it just me or is like the principal gone now? Oh no, everyone's here. It just doesn't look like it. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna make these guys. Is it though? Is it actually? We don't know. We actually don't know if it is. It could be somebody else saying that. I don't know. I need you to get me. I need you to kill me. Come here. I need you to take me out, please. I don't know what he said. Do you know what he said?
Problem.
I can't believe you're incredible.
Thank you. Thank you so much. You need to get your head checked. I'm just trying to figure out if there's a deeper thing going on. Okay, I'm just gonna get them all wrong and see if anything changes. Like, what if there's a deeper hidden secret in this mod? Because listen to the report. It could just be categorized wrong. And why is it called Project Forecast? I don't understand. But I feel like if there was something, I would have figured it out by now.
No eating food in the hall. No entering school fence. The only rooms in the hall.
I wasn't.
45 seconds.
What?
60 seconds.
What?
Number buttons to enter answer. Once you think you have it right, press the OK button.
You're right. You know what? You're right. This is a horror mod.
No stabbing people in the hall. 50 seconds.
Why does this sound so legit? It's not AI, is it? Okay, look, I'm trying to look into this. The mod says, like, is there a deeper meaning here? Because look at the title, it's like a different color. Like, am I trying to read into this? I feel like there's something going on, but we haven't figured it out. So, I'd like to come back to this, I'm just going to upload it as things, but I did not see the horror aspect.
Am I the only one who's turning their TVs into stale?
It's not the end of this reaction. It's not the end of this reaction.
Okay. Why did you say 4? So this mod was made by the same person that made the two sides of the same order, which was an amazing mod. That mod did like so many cool things, but this mod here has a lot of like downloads. From what I'm thinking, it's the same. I'm thinking it's probably going to be something. It's just title forecast. I don't know what it's going to be like.
Problem 1.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
Baldi, what are you saying?
3.
Why is he doing that?
3.
This was listed under horror.
Great job. That's right. 7 divided by...
No, that's not what you're...
Welcome to Baldi's Basics.
This shouldn't be as funny as it is.
That's fun.
4.
Wait.
Now it's time.
He just
to
didn't say
read
anything.
it.
How is this horror? It's scary because you don't know what he's going to say next.
Come here and get your prize.
What?
Problem 3. Divided by 7.
Problem 3 divided by 1.
Just type the correct answer into the empty box.
That's what I'm doing. It's like I'm arguing with him. He's paying attention. Problem 3. Look at this mod is funny. This is Forecast. It's called Project Forecast. It says horror. An experiment in perception. Proceed at your own risk. I apologize for any confusion. Okay, well, now this makes more sense. All these basics to the audio is randomized. But is that really it? It's funny though. It's really funny actually.
Great job.
That's not a great job.
Problem 3.
Yeah, well, I see slaps are randomized. Baldi? Is she randomized too? Oh god. Nobody's doing that.
No escaping in the hall.
I didn't do that. Oh my god, this is so confusing. No. Yeah, I messed up by walking here. Okay, this is very strange. 1, 4. Okay, well, when does it get scary? Did they just put it in the wrong spot on accident? Maybe they categorized the mod wrong? Or maybe it will get scary. 0 minus 2? Okay, there's no difference here now. Alright, I'm just gonna beat it. It's funny though. It's funnier than I thought it would be, actually. What do you think he's gonna say when we get all the notes? Congratulations! No, wait, no, that's what he says. I said the right thing, dang it. No, not yet! Too early! I only found 4! Why'd you go that way? Why did he do that? God, it's so strange. It's so simple, though. It's just Baldi Basics, but they all freaking yap. That's what it is. It's like the random numbers. Oh my god, she said 6, 7. She said 7, 6! Put it in reverse! This mod is cursed, that's for sure. I gotta hurry before freaking...
No stabbing people with pencils.
What? Since when can you do something like that? Stabbing people? Is that an actual line? Why did that sound so real? Stabbing people with pencils in the halls. Oh my god, guys. YouTube AI was right. The pencil does exist. You guys don't know. Alright, I have to tell the story because it doesn't make sense. YouTube has experimental AI feature. YouTube titles are done. And I was trying, and I just typed in Baldi, right? And it gives you suggestions. And it was like, basically open your pencil. And that was the video I did. I'm like, pencil, but that was just like, what if I actually video that it tells me to make? Turns out the pencil exists all along. Why did he say that? Is this the horror aspect of it? We're just gonna start saying stuff that they're not supposed to be saying? Because that would actually be really good. Okay, I got 2 quarters, we gotta use it. What was up with that pencil thing? Nope. Okay.
Got it.
I didn't want to use it yet. Okay, maybe we can use him. Don't you do it. Come here. I need you to push me. I need you to push me. I need to look at that pencil thing now. Okay. Alright, this is working out just as I expected. Is that not the last one? Okay, this is it. I didn't even need to be soda. All these saying something, but I can't hear what he's saying. No! Okay, that's fine. This will be fine. Can you please stop? Please stop. No, he's gonna push this into him. This is bad. Okay, no, we'll be fine. We'll be fine. Problem 1.
Good job.
You didn't randomize this.
Look at how that was important to say.
What? I feel like we need to play more of that. I don't know. It just made me laugh. I don't know if it was supposed to be scary in some way.
We have got to the point.
that to be his first line is so freaking stupid. What's up? The music is all stupid now. Wait, is this game getting more?
Number button to enter an answer. Once you think you have it right, press the OK button.
Is it getting more corrupt as you play? I don't know. I'm gonna upload it either way because if that's all it is, it's still freaking hilarious. It made me laugh. Why are you saying these curse words to me? You know how I feel about numbers.
I hope you like these because it's time for spelling.
They're definitely saying it made me laugh. Why are you saying these curse words to me? You know how I feel about numbers.
I hope you like these because it's time for spelling.
They're definitely saying things they're not supposed to be saying. I hope you like bees. The freaking line. Why does it sound so much like him, though? When does he ever talk about spelling? You haven't believed the pencil exists.
You did great. Come here and get your prize.
That's what he would like.
You need to collect 2 notebooks before you can use these doors.
Oh my god! This is unfortunate. This is unfortunate. Did you say 6? She's saying all the meme numbers. So dead. Is this just mirrors like the principal gone now? Oh no, everyone's here. It just doesn't look like it. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna make these guys. Is it though? Is it actually? We don't know. We actually don't know if it is. It could be somebody else saying that. I don't know. I need you to get me. I need you to kill me. Come here. I need you to take me out, please. I don't know what he said. Do you know what he said?
I can't believe it. You're incredible.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Problem 3.
You need to get your head checked. I'm just trying to figure out if there's.
I can't believe it. You're incredible.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Problem 3.
You need to get your head checked. I'm just trying to figure out if there's a deeper thing going on. Okay, I'm just gonna get them all wrong and see if anything changes. Like, what if there's a deeper hidden secret in this mod? Because listen to the report. It could just be categorized wrong. And why is it called Project Forecast? I don't understand. But I feel like if there was something, I would have figured it out by now.
No eating food in the hall. No entering school faculty only rooms in the hall.
I wasn't.
45 seconds.
What?
60 seconds.
What?
Number button to enter an answer. Once you think you have it right, press the OK button.
You're right. You know what? This is a horror mod.
No stabbing people with pencils in the hall. 15 seconds.
Why does it sound so legit? It's not AI, is it? Okay.
Press the OK button.
You're right. This is a horror mod.
No stabbing people with pencils in the hall. 15 seconds.
Why does it sound so legit? It's not AI, is it? Okay. Look, I'm trying to look into this. The mod says it might not make sense and experiment in perception. Proceed at your own risk. Why would it say that? I apologize for any confusion. I think I'm going to leave a comment and see if the developer replies. Is there a deeper meaning here? Because look at the title. It's like a different color. Like, am I just trying to read into it? I feel like there's something going on, but I haven't figured it out. So I might have to come back to this, but if not, I'm just going to upload it as it is, and it was funny. But I did not see the horror aspect of it.